Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will share with you how to add a token to your Trust wallet. So guys, to add to this token, go to Trust wallet, and after that go to Trust wallet in your mobile device or your computer, PC, laptop. All you have to do, open your Trust wallet and go to manage a crypto from here and click import your crypto, and to choose a network you want to add it, for example BNB smart chain, and from here copy this address from bscan, search for Atok, and bscan Atok, and search from here and copy this address. After that, click add token, make sure this token, click add token, and this is how you can do, guys. This is a token. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. It is easy steps, guys, you can do. Just copy this address and go to Trust wallet and copy this address. This is how you can do, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon.